Okay, where are all of my fine-haired friends? Today I'm going to show you how I get my hair to have a little bit more volume. First, going in with some dry shampoo. I really like this brand. I will link it in the description. And I put some of this in every day, even on the days that I just washed my hair. It just helps give a little bit more grit to my hair. You could also use a texturizing spray. None of the brands or anything that I'm using really matter, but just whatever you have on hand, a texturizing spray, a dry shampoo, these would all work. Okay, so this is my second day hair. I'm just showing you what I do second day to make it look fancy. This is a heat protectant. Heat protectants are really great for your hair when you're going to be using heat. Okay, I have a teasing little brush. I love this thing. I've had it for years. I am all about the tease. I have 2 cowlicks in the back of my head. So if you have cowlicks in the back of your head like me, this is a trick to try to keep them at bay and from making your hairs go all different directions. This kind of helps them stay where you want them rather than where they want to go. And I use hairspray between each one. It looks very nice. Because otherwise, fine hair problems, your tease will just like totally slip out. Then you brush it and put it where you want it. Just brush softly. Obviously, you don't want to take out all the tease. Much better. Okay, now I've got this waver that I'm sure you've all seen on Amazon or Instagram. A lot of people have this one. It's really cheap on Amazon. I think it's like 15 or 20 bucks. And I don't keep it super hot. Some tricks to this is don't turn it up all the way. I keep it like 3/4 of the way. My little 2-year-old calls it chomping your hair. So now I'm going to go through and chomp my hair. And I don't get the bottoms. As you can see with my shorter hair, I'm leaving out that little bit at the bottom. Right now I'm turning it diagonally, kind of pulling my hair towards my face. And because this is my second day, I'm obviously not grabbing every single piece. I still had some waves in it from the day before. Another trick is to flip it over your part and crimp it the other direction. Then when it falls back to the direction you'll be having it, it gets rid of that like super crimpy look. It just looks a little bit more natural. You can also just go straight up and down with it. Pull your hair straight up. So there you go. I'm happy with that. Obviously, like I said, I would have gone through and gotten, almost all the hairs on the first day. But even still, I think the beauty of this little thing is, unlike curling, you have a little bit more leeway. And you can just you don't have to like separate it and be sure that you're getting every single hair, because it's kind of like a messy look anyway. Okay, just to tone it down and make it, I don't know what the word would be, a little less puffy on the ends. I'm just straightened it out quick. And there you go. As you can see, voluminous, but a little bit wavy. And I really love this crimper because it really gives me quite a lot of volume that I do not naturally have. So there you go. I hope you have a great day. I hope you learned something. Subscribe, and I will see you next time.